Good morning guys, my name's Alex. I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcela and our 2 dogs, and this is my daily vlog. If you see my vlog from the other day, you'll know about my tyre situation. In fact, it must be wearing unevenly, because when I looked at it the other day, there wasn't even any of these lines here at all. I need to get a new tyre. It's Monday now, so obviously over the weekend there was nowhere really open around here. I've done a bit of calling. It's a 235 65 16.
Yes.
Do you sell tyres?
Yes, yes, of course. Alex, bonjour.
Bonjour. Parlez-vous anglais, s'il vous plaît?
No, no English. Little,
okay.
little.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Okay.
What do you want?
I'm gonna send some Facebook messages out now. Maybe we'll have to drive like half hour from here or something, I don't know. It's not the best sort of place for resources. So I just looked on Facebook Marketplace, which seems to be one of the best places to get stuff these days. There's a few places coming up, so I'm just messaging them all. Hopefully be able to get part 1 or something here. See if any get back to us, and these are all pretty local as well. Well within, I think. Oh no. Quite far. Not having much luck finding a tyre, to be honest, but it's lunchtime. What's for lunch?
Healthiness. Greens, beans, potatoes and tomatoes.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
It's that time to pick up the ski pass. Bonjour. Can I buy a season pass? Merci. It's a Rhodos editing.
How long?
So yeah.
How long?
2 hours. There's a live band going on and that's a bit ram, so no plugs. I tried beanies. Yes. All done for the night. Time to chill now, I guess. Have you seen these toilets? They're like Wild West. It's like, wow. Fucking smell like the Wild West. Bonsoir, bon gela, bon magnifico. So I have my lift pass. Yes, it's snowing tonight, a little bit maybe. Tomorrow definitely. I am excited. And this boy in the morning, I'm gonna get up in the morning, take this boy on that lift up there that you can't see, but you've seen it, you know. Up the mountain, and Zeus is going to have his first snowboarding experience. Well, running down a mountain experience for a few kilometres. What are you writing?
Just getting ready for them.
Are you going to tell everyone what you're doing? It's a secret. It's a secret. But Marcela's doing. She's started a new project before she's finished the last one.
No, it's just a side project.
Side project. So we're all guilty of it. I must have like don't know how many projects going.
I've got a TED Talk for you to watch.
Ooh. What on?
On focusing.
We'll watch it. If it's any good, I'll let you know, guys. Tomorrow's vlog should be the first vlog to include some snow sports. Can't make any promises yet because I just don't know what's gonna happen. You know, under promise, over deliver. I need to work out what camera to take with me as well.
GoPro, no?
Yeah, but it's the waterproof GoPro. If you're listening. Doubt you are, like, but if you are, my GoPro, yeah, waterproof. So the van that we tried to jump start back there, starter motor stuck. I mean, I have got a hammer, but it's like deep inside somewhere, and really, I don't know where it is. I don't know if it is where I think it is. Actually, it would have been really easy to get to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a night there. If any of this dog's crazy, literally every time I start talking, the dog's crazy man and what. Anyway, so if any of you got anything specific you'd like to see in Morsey or anything like that, comment in the comments bit below. I've got some specific videos people have asked for, like how we manage the internet and like the compromises of van life and those sort of things, so they are coming. Okay, cool. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video if you think somebody will find it useful or interesting at all. Thank you, subscribe. Cheers guys, bye. I'm so out of breath because I just carried a thing up the stairs. I'm not going to tell you about that. Am I talking to myself? Yeah, is that the cheapest tie you do?
Cheaper, I can have some cheaper. The better is 200.
200 euros. Fuck that.